Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set the default attribute for a field in Odoo 16. As you can see here, the company management is my custom module that I've created. So let me go to the py page of my custom module where I've defined some fields inside this custom model, that is the company.employee, and here I've defined some fields inside it. So let me just give the default attribute for the field verified, and I'll be giving the default attribute here. And after giving the attribute, you can specify the default value which you want for this field. So as this is a Boolean field, I would like to make it true as default here. So the default value will be true for this field that is verified. So after giving the code, let me run the code, and as you can see, there's no errors. So let me go to the front end and just refresh the page here. So after refreshing it, you can go to the custom module here, and if you go to the form view, you can see the value is given as true as default. So I'll just show you. If I just remove the default attribute from here, you can see the change. Let me run the code, and now let me just refresh it. And if I open it, you can see it is the value for this field is false because we have not given or we have not defined any field default attribute for this field verified. So this is how you give the default values for a field using the default attribute in Odoo 16. That's all for today. Thank you.